subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Samsung Galaxy Book Go 4G and its 5G variant have identical specs, and they only differ in the chipset department. The Galaxy Book Go features a 14-inch TFT display that delivers a full HD resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels and a 16:9 aspect ratio. The 4G variant of the Galaxy Book features the 8nm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 that tags along with Adreno 618 graphics. Its 5G variant has the 7nm Snapdragon 8cx Gen 2.5 chip. Both models come with 6GB, 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. For storage, the Galaxy Book Go offers storage choices such as 64GB and 128GB. The Galaxy Book Go runs on Windows 10 Home Pro and it is flanked by Dolby Atmos powered 2x1.5 watts stereo speakers. It promises up to 18 hours of battery life through its 42.3 Wh battery, which supports 25 watts rapid charging. The Galaxy Book Go offers other features such as an HD camera, a microSD card slot, nano SIM slot, Wi-Fi 802, 11 acres, 2x2 MIMO, Bluetooth 51 USB 2.0 USB-C and a 3.5mm headphone, mic combo jack. The Wi-Fi only version of the Galaxy Book Go costs $349. There is no word on the pricing of the 5G and LTE variants of the device. The Wi-Fi model will be up for purchase in the US starting from June 10th. The 5G variant will arrive in the US by fall 2021. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.